My Dear Friends is a very great community-based platform which has launched its own coin market. This coin is developed by two big community of Indonesia and Nigeria like no other company yet did it. Their own utility service has come in the market. And Delcoin would have launched its e-commerce platform as soon as there is a community of 10,000. The gaming platform will be seen. And it will be listed on the top exchange on the community of 25,000. It is working in the market with a very large profile. You can see on the screen company token name is Delcoin and official website is www.deltron.club. Let's talk about company about section. Welcome to 100% transparent and 100% decentralized opportunity. Delcoin is the digital platform which provide you a superb opportunity for your bright future with the guidance of dedicated team and committed professional having best experience in network marketing. What is Delcoin? Delcoin blockchain contract has been designed to provide everyone with a collaborative and corporate fund based on blockchain technology any other. Information you can see on the screen. You can also see mission and vision on the screen. Let's we talk about our features. We are certified, we are secure, we are profitable, we have best plan, we accept loan, best support provided by company. If we can talk about advantages of Delcoin, 100% verified smart contract and listed on the Tron blockchain. This is a completely decentralized smart contract works. There is no admin. If we talk about future of digital currency, 6000 BC barter system you can see, 7th BC coin system has been presented in the market, 7th century bank's note. 1659 check system you can see, then plastic cards were seen. After that internet banking came. And in the last if we talk about 2009, then cryptocurrency was born which has revolutionized the whole world. Let's know about the world's most emerging cryptocurrency Tron. Tron is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum. Its price is quite low right now. You can buy it and dip. Tron was founded in September 2017 by the Tron Foundation, a not-for-profit Singaporean organization headed by Justin Sun Person. Speed transactions per second now you can see on the screen 2 or 3 TPS transaction speed of Bitcoin. Ethereum transaction speed is 20 or 25 TPS. Right now Tron transaction speed is 2000 TPS. Let's talk about joining packages. First joining package is $25 capping per day, $50 daily cashback 1.5%. Second joining package is $50 capping per day, $100 cashback daily 1.5%. Third joining package is $100 capping per day, $200 daily cashback 1.5%. Last joining package is $500 capping per day, $500 cashback daily 1.5%. Right now we can talk about condition on packages. All joining will be done in TRX and withdrawal will come in Delcoin. You can earn 200% income of your package from all incomes on every package. If we talk about utility services, Delcoin is going to launch all utility services like recharge, FASTag recharge, electricity bill, and so on all utility services you will get 1% cashback. Types of income: booster bonus, matching bonus, mentorship bonus, Del Club bonus. Will understand everyone one by one. My dear friends, let's talk about booster bonus. Do $150 direct sponsor in Team A and $150 direct sponsor in Team B and get $4 daily till 100 days. Total income will be $400. Do $300 direct sponsor in Team A and $300 direct sponsor in Team B and get $8 daily till 100 days. Total income will be $800. Let's we talk about matching bonus. First matching pair will be 2:1 or 1:2. After first every pair is 1:1. Get matching bonus 16% capping will be according to your package. For example, first pair $100 left to $100 right, get matching bonus 16%. Let's we talk about mentorship bonus. As many direct sponsor you have, you will get 50% income from their matching every time. There is no capping for this income. Finally, let's talk about Dell Club bonus star level. As soon as a team of 2 people comes in from anywhere in your down, the total income per member is $4 per member. As soon as there is a team of 4 people at the rate of $2 per member, the total income is $8, of which $4 goes for upgrades. Having a global team of 8 people generates an income of $16, out of which $8 goes for upgrades. Similarly, when my dear friends is a team of 256 people, the total income is $1024, out of which $512 goes for your upgrade. In this way, the total income was $1916, out of which you withdrew $960. 8 directs compulsory for taking bonus of star level. Let's we talk about star level conditions. After 5th level your it will reach top up with $32, and here as many times your team reach top of their its you will get matching and mentorship bonus again and again. From 6th level your silver level will upgrade by $128. From 7th level your gold level will upgrade by $256. From 8th level your diamond level will upgrade by $512. Let's be talked about Dell Club bonus silver level. As soon as a team of 2 people comes to your down globally at $16 per member, your total income is $32. If there is a team of 4 people, there is an income of $64. If there is an income of $128, if there is a team of 8 people. Similarly, if there is an income of 256 people, there is an income of $4096. Total income is $8160. 8 directs compulsory for taking bonus of silver level. Let's we talk about Dell Club bonus gold level. If the team of 2 people is globally, the total income is $64 according to $32. If there is a team of 4 people, the total income is $128 according to $32. Similarly, having a team of 256 people, the total income is $8192. Total income is $16,328. Directs compulsory for taking bonus of gold level. Let's we talk about Dell Club bonus diamond level. If the team of 2 people is globally, the total income is $128 according to $64. If there is a team of 4 people, the total income is $256 according to $64. Similarly, having a team of 256 people, the total income is $16,384. Total income is $32,640. It directs compulsory for taking bonus of diamond level. Friends, let's we talk about term and conditions. Minimum withdrawal $10. It is compulsory to have 1 direct from team A and 1 direct from team B. Instant closing, instant payout, other deduction 10%. My dear friends, this was the banging concept of Dell Coin. I have given the number of top leader in the description to join it. You can call and get information and join it. Thanks for watching the video.